Alright guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new, make sure to subscribe. And if you're not, make sure to share this video, like it, and turn on those post notifications. Now, let's get straight into the video. So, me and my friend are doing fidget trading. These are my fidgets, and these are my friend's fidgets. You may recognize the fidgets because these fidgets are from the most recent video, last one, and it's about a girl who is poor and turned rich. All right, now let's do some fidget trading. All right, I will offer this red pop tube for that pink sparkly duck. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
I will offer my big ice cream for that
Rainbow? Accept.
I love this.
Okay. Alright, my turn. I will offer all my marble meshes for that poppet bag. Add. Okay, I'll add these two balls.
Accept.
Yay! Guys, I got a poppet bag now. Alright. What are you gonna offer?
I am going to offer this putty for that poppet fidget.
Add. This is a really nice fidget. Add. Accept.
Add.
Decline. Alright. I will offer this mini spinner for those two snappers. I'll add this very cute cat mochi.
Accept.
Alright, there you go.
There you go.
Yay. Okay.
Fidgets. Here.
This is such a nice snapper.
I will add these three things. These two things for that dimple.
Which dimple?
That.
Add. Add. I love this dimple. It's such a nice dimple. Like, I will not even trade. I would hardly trade this for anything. Add.
Decline.
Good. Can I offer this pop tube for that dimple?
Yes.
Yay! I like this.
Although it's very bad on the bad side.
But I like it. Perfecto. Alright. What do you want to offer?
I want to offer this.
That. What do you want from me?
You choose.
How about this really good snapper?
Add.
Decline. I don't even like that. Alright. What do you want for this monkey noodle? Textured monkey noodle, in fact.
I will give you my really nice mini fidget spinner and 2 munchies.
Yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. No trademarks.
Darn it.
I just scammed her.
Yeah, that's true. This is everybody.
I will offer I'm going to do a really big trade. I am going to offer this keyboard puppet and this space symbol. Those are really good and expensive, so make sure to add a lot.
I will add my putty.
Okay.
My monkey noodle.
Okay.
My shirt puppet.
Okay.
My 2 of these.
Okay.
And that's it.
Decline. I love these. Alright, guys.
By the way, it's not fair that you have all of the big puppets.
Well, I'm sorry. You were the mean girl. And I was the nice girl. Foreshadowing. Alright. I will offer this really nice snapper for that bunny puppet.
Set.
Yes.
I love snapper. Hey, this is
No, it's really nice.
hard.
Alright. Alright, what do you want to offer?
I will offer my slime
Your putty, you mean?
putty.
Alright, I will give you, let's see here. I will give you these 2 cat emojis, because I know you love cats.
Add 1 more fidget.
Well, I don't really have any more tiny fidgets, so I will add something else. How about I'll give you this really nice and easy snapper.
Add 1 of the cat emojis.
Fine, you're making me add so much.
It's only 2 things.
Alright, there.
Except
Give me your putty. Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna do a good trade. Alright, I will offer my pop tube, my dimple, and my putty for those 2 balls right over there.
of course, accept.
Here you go. Ugh, this is stupid anyway.
Ow.
Alright.
Now I have 4 of them.
Yeah. Well,
5. I will offer my 5 pop tubes.
5. Oh my gosh. I will offer this.
Accept.
Here you go.
I was hoping you were gonna offer that.
Oh my god. I got so many pop tubes, guys.
But this is so good. Look.
I'm going to do a really big trade. I will offer my whole poppet bag.
Well, you have to do your whole thing, but 1 second, I'm just gonna finish popping this. Okay.
Bro, it's very satisfying.
This, my favorite, and putty.
Except, oh my god, that's stupid anyways.
No, it's not. It's actually really good.
It's a very bad one. Oh my god, guys, I got so many fidgets. I basically scanned her. This is such a nice dimple. Like, look at it. I love that brain toy. So, it has the numbers on it and everything. And I learned how to count to 10 in Spanish with this. Look it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! That's great. Alright, I am going to do an extremely big trade. Like, so big, you can't even imagine how big it is. I'll offer that. I'll offer that. I'll offer that. What do you got to give me? I want your whole inventory. These are really good puppets.
Here. 1, squishy. 2, squishy. 3, squishy. 4, squishy.
Half of those are broken. More. These are so good puppets, and those are stupid lame
Decline.
squishies.
Decline.
Good. I didn't want to trade these anyways. All right. I will be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Okay.
No, I got the camera. Okay, guys, I am going to get Fidget from my bathroom. Actually, no, I'm gonna attempt to scam her. Just watch. I didn't have to go. Alright. What do you want to offer?
I will offer.
Why did you take the... Like,
I don't know.
alright. Oh, should I offer?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to offer a really, really good one. This is so brain teasing. It's so good. Let's see what you have to offer.
What's in my bag?
Accept.
You don't even know what's in my bag.
I saw it. That's what's in your bag. I accept and give me that bag.
Wait.
That's mine.
Yeah. Either way, I got.
Actually, no.
Why is
I
it-
originally had this and you stole it from me.
Why is it slimy?
I don't know. Guys, we just scammed her. I told them that we were going to scam her.
Oh my god. Either way, I stole your Fidget.
Yeah, I know that. Give me, hey, if you give me your puppet bag, I'll give you that.
Accept.
Accept.
Yay.
Oh my god, I just scammed her.
No, it's not. This puppet is really good.
It's a really
And
bad
you
one.
said that was dumb.
Alright guys, I'm on a mission to get all poppets, so I'll offer all these pop tunes for that.
No.
This one?
Ah.
This very beautiful cat emoji.
Decline.
Ah! Once I am going to be the queen of all puppets. Ready? Just watch me. Alright, can I offer all of these pop tubes for that tiny one?
Accept.
Yes! Oh my god, guys, this is so great. Brain teasing.
You said you scammed me on it.
I did, and then I said, alright, I want to get that big puppet. So here, I'll offer that, and that,
Sadie,
and
what's my favorite?
that, and that, and that for that big one. Oh my god, I got all the puppets.
No.
What did I not get?
This.
Actually, that's not a puppet, that's a dimple. So I got all the puppets, yay! Alright, that's all for today's video. Bye!